Hey guys, it's Eric Green from Tax Rep Network. Today, what I thought I would do is talk about the top questions we get about tax return, delivery, because it's amazing how many questions come up in this area. All right. So, first question I get a lot of is, can I just email the return for review to my client? No, bad idea. For a couple of reasons. First of all, you should be using Liscio. You have a secure platform. That is the reason you have a secure platform is it's secure, right? Because as we've discussed before, all studies show that more than 93% of all data breaches start through email. All right. Your email is not secure. So if you're not using Liscio, this is why you implement it. One, you have that secure platform, and then we can, of course, get into the automated organizers and all the rest. All right. The other benefit, frankly, aside from just the secure platform, is the text messaging being logged. I have clients that are texting me all the time. All right. So part of that secure platform is all of that stuff is captured. All right. And trust me, with my clients, sometimes it's very important to be able to point to that stuff when I've gotten a response from them that's very important. All right. So in terms of emailing that return to be reviewed, no, bad idea. We use Liscio, we use a secure platform. We're going to avoid the data breach, all the fallout that happens from a data breach, and we're going to make sure that our client's information is secure.